Today I show you how to create a pumpkin head with a blinking LED inside with an Arduino. So to do that, to start, we need a pumpkin head for sure. We need wires. We need an Arduino. We got this one. We need a computer for sure, and we also need LEDs. So diodes, so you can have as much as you want, but I started with 6 and I wire only 4 because we do need resistors for the current to protect the LEDs, and these resistors are 220 ohm resistors. So to start, we need to work with the pumpkin head. I start by removing the top. So here we can start with the eyes, nose, and the mouth. We take a knife, we cut it, remove the seed inside, and after we go into the computer. But let's start. So we got it here. We can remove everything we got inside. So this is the final result, guys, so I hope you like it. So this is what we're gonna start with today. So now, guys, let's make a square hole just behind Arduino. So there we are, guys, to the computer, guys. So guys, here I wrote a really light program that allows you to make this LED blink by 2. You're supposed to have, we have 6 LEDs, and they're wired to resistors 220 ohm. This resistor allows you to protect the diodes, the LED. So here we can see we got 6 of them. They're connected on different pins from the Arduino, the number 12, 11 till 7. But for this demonstration I use only 4 of them. So I make 3 loops, so they work per 2. So we're gonna blink, 2 of them gonna blink at the same time during 1 second. After you're gonna change for 1 second, we start with this one, but I'm not going to use this one for our demonstration. I'm going to use this one and this one. So, and guys, you'll be able to download it in the description in the video. So that's okay. So I also got for you. Where is it? I also got for you the schematic that I draw on freezing. So you have here the Arduino board, the pins from the 7 to the 12. You got here the different resistors, 220 ohm. So you got 6 of them, and the different diodes. So here we got, be careful guys, here we got the anode and here the cathode. So it's the same for each of the diodes. So if you got a breadboard, be careful to do this job and connect it to the computer. So this is what we're going to do now. We're going to include firstly, this is what we're going to do first. We're going to insert our cable inside our pumpkin, just like this, and include it. And the pumpkin is still a bit wet, so I want to put a little napkins protect my. I can put this protect the electronic board. So everything is okay. Okay, let's do that. And after guys, we just need to plug the USB cable on the computer. And when it's done, you can open the program. You can download this program in the description. Also guys, the schematic in the description, and also the freezing schematic in the description. So you can compile it, so it's done, and you can, okay, sorry, oh, I need to choose it before guys. Okay, so how do we know, oh, it's done, and upload it to the Arduino board. So guys, I don't know if you see, maybe you got too much lights. Let me turn off all the lights. So, but during the night, it's a bit better during the night. Let's have it like this. So, guys, there is our pumpkin. A blinking pumpkin. Here we go. So, guys, this is the hand. It's not complicated tutorials. I hope you enjoy it. And guys, if you enjoy it, please put a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, Maker Generation, and see you for the next tutorials. Thank you very much, guys.